Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Xbox game bar not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, if you are facing this error, so to resolve this issue, click on Start, then open Settings. Now in this left side panel, click on Apps, then click on Apps and Features. Now search Xbox game bar. Now you will see Xbox game bar. Click on these three dots. Now select Advanced Options. Here you will see option Repair. If this app isn't working correctly, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So just you need to click on Repair. Now close it and restart your PC. And guys, still you are facing error and this method will not work in your case. So try second method. Click on this search icon and type PowerShell. Run as administrator. Now here you need to type this command line or copy or paste. I will give this command line in description, so copy and paste here. Then enter. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps and method, we can fix and resolve Xbox game bar not opening in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.